Like, share, and subscribe to the Vijay Sales YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
It does not feel good when your refrigerator is dirty and gives a pungent smell, right? Not only it smells bad, but due to constant contact with food, it tends to get very dirty. Also, it affects the food and vegetables kept inside the fridge. How can we make sure that the fridge is sanitized and kept disinfected? Here are 4 easy and natural steps to keep your refrigerator clean. Baking soda. Baking soda to disinfect your refrigerator is an excellent option. Due to its antibacterial properties, sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is one of the best solutions to clean and disinfect a fridge. This removes leftover food that sticks inside the appliance and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 cups of warm water. Add the baking soda in a bowl, cover with water and mix the ingredients until dissolved. Remove all foods and removable parts of the refrigerator. Dip a sponge in the liquid when the dissolved mixture and rub it on the walls and compartments of your fridge. Now leave it for 5 minutes. Then remove with a clean absorbent cloth. Lemon juice. The natural acids found in lemon juice are powerful cleaning agents that eliminate bacteria and dirt. Its natural properties leave the surface of any fridge looking flawless and odor-free. Ingredients: juice of 3 lemons, 2 cups of warm water, a spray bottle and a clean cloth. Squeeze the juice from the lemons and pour into a spray bottle along with the warm water. Shake well to mix. Remove all foods and removable parts from the refrigerator. Then spray the lemon cleanser and let it sit for 5 minutes. Rub it with a clean towel or cloth. Vinegar. This is an eco-friendly solution for cleaning the interiors and exteriors of dirty fridges. It has degreasing and disinfecting properties that remove food spills that dry on surfaces. Ingredients: half a cup of apple cider vinegar or regular white vinegar, 1 cup of warm water, spray bottle and absorbent cloth. Dilute the white vinegar or apple cider vinegar with warm water and pour into a spray bottle. Empty the fridge and spray the vinegar on all the walls and surfaces that you want to clean. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then wipe with an absorbent cloth. Olive oil and lemon. This homemade lemon and olive oil cleanser is ideal for washing the surfaces of stainless steel refrigerators. These components remove debris from dirt and spills without damaging the material or leaving a greasy residue. 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, soft cloth. Combine the olive oil and lemon juice in a plate or container. Remove all foods and removable parts from the refrigerator. Rub the product onto the surface of the refrigerator with the help of a soft cloth. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then wipe it down with a slightly damp cloth. Ready to start cleaning? Choose any of these methods once a week at least for an effortless and spotless clean refrigerator. For more such hacks and fun videos, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Till then, happy cleaning!